Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Close to all amenities, including schools, shops, restaurants and public transport, is this incredibly spacious, beautifully kept unit. A must for anyone looking for only the highest levels of quality, low-maintenance living. Boasting large living spaces, well-appointed kitchen adjoining the meals family room, large bedrooms with built-in robes, master with full ensuite and walk-in robe, gas ducted heating, air conditioning, double remote garage with internal access, beautiful gardens, and the list goes on. If you enjoy entertaining, this feature-packed property comes fully equipped with a covered outdoor entertaining area leading off from the family room, perfect for fun-filled days. Close to all amenities and providing a low-maintenance lifestyle for that lucky purchaser, this beautiful property, put simply, is a must-see. An inspection won't disappoint. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.